I need to eat this bloody McFlurry before it melts. Ta-da! Still saucing. What's we got? Ooh, what's that gush? What's next? What's next? This is liar. You're missing out, bruh. Why are you on that side? I forgot the scoring. What did I give each thing? We're doing something different today. We're gonna review the world food menu at McDonald's. Because we're trying to be healthy. Trying to be healthy. Is this recording? Right. I am excited. Here we go.
There you are.
Hi, may I have your order?
Ta-da! Look what I got. We're home now. We've got shaker fries. We've got 2 flavors of McFlurry. Look what it says. Stolen from Malaysia. And then we have Sakura lemonade, which is delicious. I already cracked open into it. Cheesy Mac triangles. These little guys. So many sauces. She really liked us. Still saucing. I'm still saucing. We come from the land down under. Woo woo. From my home country. It's upside down. Stolen from Australia. McSpicy. This one, maple barbecue bacon double quarter pounder. Stolen from Canada. And then, lucky last, we have chicken nugget share box. So this one is the salt and pepper nuggets from Japan. And there's one thing that we're missing, the choco pie, which I'm really sad about, but they're sold out. Gonna have to try it later. Right, where should we start? I think I'm excited. I'm gonna start with this one, McSpicy. How are we gonna rate these, baby? Wow, look at that. Look at that pineapple. This actually looks legit. Whoa. That is beautiful. Wow, look at that. Let's start off with this one. Make sure the pineapple's in the center. They both have bacon in it. So I'm gonna cut it down the middle. Ready? Let's see. Wow. Doesn't that look good? It's good. You get really soft, tender, warm chicken with a little hum of spice around the rim of your tongue, and this sweet but like really juicy and sour pineapple and salty bacon coming through. Oh, it's delicious. Right, one more bite and I'll move on. It's not too spicy though. I reckon this McSpicy, are we going out of 5? I'll give it a 4. Pretty legit.
4 mots out of 5.
Yeah. 4 mots. Moving on. Stolen from Canada. Ooh, what's that gush? Bloody hell. Squishy. Let's open that up. Let the world see. Ooh, juicy. Very juicy. Right, I'm gonna take a bite. Not very mapley. So it's yummy. So it's very like tasty. The beef is a bit quarter poundery dry, the usual. But it's moist because it's got the layers of cheese in between, and then it's got bacon, lots of bacon, and then it's got this gushy sauce. It's got fried onions and loads of pickles in. It is very yummy. It's a delicious burger, but in terms of like maple flavor, there's not a lot of it in there. So I expected it to have a little bit more of like a sweetness around the bacon, like a maple syrup kind of sweetness, but it's just more pickly than maple syrupy. I don't hate it, but it's not what it says on the tin. So I'm gonna give it 3 stars, unfortunately, but it is yummy.
3 out of 5 mots.
3 out of 5 mots because it's not what it says on the tin. It says liar. What's next? What's next? Shaker fries. We used to have these back in the early 2000s, and I used to be obsessed with it as a child. Right.
I don't think I've ever had them.
Never had it? Oh, you're missing out, bruh. Put it in the bag.
It's like a little tutorial.
Sour cream and black pepper. Then you pour it on. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Oh. I mean, good flavor. The fries, standard McDonald's fries, better when they're freshly cooked, but the flavor's quite good. So if you think of, you know, Pringles, sour cream and onion Pringles, same flavor profile, but with like chips, and then you add some black pepper in, it's yummy. These are good. I'm giving them 4 months. What's next? What's next? Mac and cheese. This is a little bit sad, isn't it? Look at this. Only 4. These are so cute. They look like laughing cow cheese. If you take it out of a little packet and then you dipped it in breadcrumbs and then you fried it. These are good. The McDonald's lady said, on the drive-thru said, it could have been more filling, but I agree. Because there's quite a lot of breading, but there's like 2 pieces of mac and cheese inside. See that? I'm bitten through one. The flavour is yummy though. It's good. I could eat 100 more of these.
What are you giving it?
How much do I like it? 4.3.
4.3, that's the highest one yet.
Yeah. It's good, it's good.
What?
I like a mac and cheese. This is what I'm most excited about. Garlic and black pepper. Oh, can you smell it? It smells so good. Right. And then the special sauce is the garlic soy sauce. So we're gonna have that open, ready to rock and roll. Oh! That's not what I was expecting. Garlic soy. It's white. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm gonna try it on its own first to get a true taste flavor. Solid. I like these a lot. They're basically like a normal chicken nugget, which is like my favorite thing on the McDonald's menu anyway. But they just put a ton of black salt and garlic on it. And who doesn't love garlic breath? I'm gonna try this. It does smell a bit like this. It's nice. Tastes like an aioli with a tad of soy sauce in it. It smells more like soy sauce than it actually tastes like soy sauce. But it's got like this umami background flavor in it that I can't really put my finger on. Probably the soy sauce. Yum. That is delicious. Right now, I'm gonna give it a 4.7, but if it was hot, I'll give it a 5 stars because I love it so much. But I am biased because I love chicken nuggets from McDonald's. Every other chicken nugget does not compare. And we're back. This one is chocolate pretzel, I believe. And this one is caramel pretzel with a K. Let me try the chocolate one first. Oh, look at that. So much pretzels and chocolate sauce. Oh yeah, right, there you go. Chocolate sauce at the bottom. That is delicious. You know what that is? The crack sauce.
What?
That is so good. This is the sauce that makes it. Do you guys remember the chocolate fudge sauce that you used to be able to get on the sundaes, chocolate sundaes at McDonald's? That's basically what that is. That's yum. Proper nostalgia. Right, moving on to the caramel. So I used to love caramel sundae, and they've never had it here in the UK. So I think this is the same caramel sauce. A little bit of caramel sauce. That's a little bit disappointing. It is. That is exactly that. Same thing. Caramel sauce that we used to get. I used to get caramel sundaes back in Australia. And that's the same like salted caramel kind of fudge sauce that they used to have, but with pretzels on top. This is delicious. I used to be a really fat kid growing up, and I used to love getting sundaes at McDonald's. And my sister told me a lie one time, and she said, "You're so silly. You can't have Sunday. It's Monday." So I always thought that I can only eat Sundays on a Sunday. So growing up as a kid, I only ate Sundays on Sundays until I became an adult. And then I realized I can do whatever I want. I love the caramel one better because I'm a caramel girl over chocolate, but they're both bloody good, 5 out of 5.
Can't be both 5 out of 5.
If I was gonna have this again as an ideal meal, I'll have pineapple McSpicy, 6 black pepper garlic nuggets. I like the sauce, but I could take it or leave it because I also am a loyal customer of the sweet curry. And these cute little triangle mac and cheese bites. These are really yummy. Fries can take or leave because they're more like a snacky novelty. So if you're gonna drop by and just get a snack, like grab a coffee and something quick to nibble on, then grab those. But I mean, like normal fries are quite good. And quarter pounder is just a standard quarter pounder with a little bit of zhuzh. And then definitely get one of these for sure. They're both delicious. And I will have this again, but I think I might go try it with a little bit of gin in it. And that wraps up my meal. Tell me how many mots you give.